In this video, I'm going to show you how we're gonna solve the algorithm problem, which is pairwise. In this video, I'm going to show you how we're gonna solve the pairwise array. You can see all the instruction. We have given an array. We need to find the elements pair whose sum equal the second argument and return the sum of their indices. So it's just a simple problem. All that we need is the array indexes. We need to reach out the indexes, and then we are going to sum those indexes, which is, let's say, 1 and 4, which is equal to the 5, but we have given here 7. So you can see we have given an example over here, which is, for example, pairwise 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, and the argument we have given here is 20, and the return is 6. The pairs that sum to 20 are 7 and 13. So you can see that 7, which is a 0 index, and 13, which is on the 3 indexes. When we sum the 7 and 13, we get the 20. So here you can see the index is 0, which is 7 is on 0, and 13 is on 3 index. So when we reach out these indexes, we're simply gonna sum them and return the output. Here you can see that 0 plus 3 is equal to 3, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, and 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So this is a very simple. So now we're going to solve the problem. First of all, what we're going to do, we need to remove the return argument. We're gonna declare our indexes. Let us change the name with the result. We're going to create a new set first, where we're going to push all the result here, and now we need a sum variable. Exactly, definitely we need a sum to add the indexes of each element in the array. Now we need a for loop, in which we're going to loop the array. We need to loop the array till the end of the array. Then we're simply gonna add. So we're going to reach the first index of the element, but we need to reach the second element of the index as well. So what we're going to do here, we're going to make another loop inside the loop, in which we're going to make some adjustment. So we need I plus 1. So you can see we need the second element of the array. So what we're simply going to do is, when the I declares the 0, the j is equal will be 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So we'll change I to j. All right, just let me make it easier for you guys. All right, so if we use the if statement, if the array I plus we're going to plus array j is equal to the, we need to check if the array elements is equal to the argument, right? If the array argument is equal to the array j, then we're going to simply adding the add them into the I plus j. Can you see that over here? So once we reach the index of I and j, the first and the second element of the array, then we're gonna simply add them into the sum. All right, so, and also we need to check if that the elements in which we are reaching the index is already inside the result, the new set over here which we have declared. We need to check them, and by using the AND operator, and if not, result dot has I, and we're simply going to do with the second array, yeah, which is j. if the I element is not in the array 1 and the j element is not in the array 2, then we're gonna simply adding them into the sum variable. All right, and now what we need to do is to simply add this array into the sorry, need to add them into I. Same we're going to do with the second loop which we used here, because we need to add them into the new array which we have declared here, which is a new set. Sorry, it's not an array, it's a new set, and we're going to add the indexes into the result which is new set. And we're going to simply, sorry, no, it's, we'll use a break statement because we're using this statement over here. Now we need to return the sum which we have added the values of the array. We have used a simple return statement over here. Now we use here console.log. Oh, so you can see we have solved the problem here. So this is a very common and the basic question mostly asked in interviews. So when you're a programmer, you must need to have a strong grip on these basic concepts. So this wasn't a difficult one. We have from the previous video in which we have solved the inventory problem. This one was the easier and the most basic. So I hope you guys like this video and I hope you guys enjoyed this. So please like and subscribe and follow me for the incoming and videos in which I'm gonna solve all the problems, not only the free code camp but also the problems that are new discovered in the today's world by using the different tools and the techniques and the different methods. All right, so thank you so much. I hope you guys like this video. Like and subscribe and have a nice day. Bye bye.